Hello! Let's learn about being kind and helpful to others. Can you show me kind hands? This is JJ. He lives at home with his mom, his dad, and his big sister. JJ loves to play at home. Sometimes he feels happy. Sometimes he feels excited. And sometimes JJ feels cross. When JJ feels cross or too excited, he might hit and laugh. But JJ doesn't always know that hitting can hurt. Hitting can make people feel sad or sore. Ouch! Hitting is not okay. Hitting is not kind. Hitting can hurt someone and make them feel sad. So what can JJ do instead? When JJ feels excited, he can dance, jump up and down, or clap his hands. When JJ feels cross, he can squeeze a cushion, hug a teddy, or clap his hands. When JJ doesn't know what to do, his mummy shows him gentle hands. JJ can be gentle at home. He can use kind hands with his family. Hands are for playing, hands are for hugging, hands are for being kind and gentle. JJ is learning every day. You can too. Let's all use kind hands. Can you show me kind hands?
Like and subscribe to SachAuDHD.